Okay, let it start. Then I will start. Hi, how are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I'm also good. So tell me something about yourself.
Yes, my name is Ruby, and I am from Assam. At present, I am housewife. As per my qualifications, I am a simple graduate. Before marriage, I worked in schools. I teach maths up to class 10. But after marriage, I don't get any opportunity to do job anywhere because I have to help my husbands. And at home also we are belongs to a joint family in that time. But now not. Now nobody is there. We are single now. And I have one kid. He is in 12th standard. That's about me. And
Okay.
will you tell
Okay,
me about
that is
you, please?
good to hear. Yes, I also introduce myself. My name is Pallavi and I'm an English trainer by profession. I give online classes for English and I have been teaching over last 10 years online, like even before Corona. And I love to give training to the people and I work on the overall personality so the student improves, and I'm so happy when the students improve through my teaching. So this is all about me, and I'm from Delhi.
So
Okay, good to
good.
know about you that you were a teacher.
What? Sorry.
I'm saying good to know about you that you were a teacher before your marriage.
Before marriage, I got married in 2006. Before marriage, I
Okay.
worked about approximately 10 years.
Okay, approximately 10 years. Okay, so as you were telling that nowadays you are interested to learn English. So what is your purpose of learning English these days? Like why you want to improve your English? There might be some
See,
purpose.
when I was in schools, my English was better than from today. So at present, my son, he is busy in study. He study himself. I have so many times I watching the YouTube and I even did not know that this type of platform was there where we can learn English. So when I see that
Mhm.
so many people are interacting here and they were improving their English speaking, so I thought that I may join here. In spite of when I go to PTMs, in that time I feel very hesitant to speak in English. Already you understand that what type of English I can speak. So I thought
Mhm.
that can I do? And recently I have joined in as a mutual fund distributor also. So if my English is fluent, no, which is very help us to do any work nowadays, I think, yeah. So I have available time. Why not I? But even I make my YouTube channels, but even I have not upload any record video. So I thought that first I have to improve me myself, then I will upload it. Uh, that is so. I,
Okay,
I
very
now.
good to hear that you have the willingness to improve and you feel, yes, English is very important these days because you go anywhere, like you said, you go to kids' PTM. Yes, it is very important when we talk to the teachers. Sometimes one gets hesitation if you're not speaking well. And yes,
Yeah,
nowadays, learn how YouTube, very good to learn from YouTube these days. And many people they learn and improve because you can like just watch the videos anywhere, anytime without any
and
foundation. This is so good what you said.
yeah, no pay.
Mm.
You can learn also without paying. So it is very,
Yeah. It
very
is very-
helpful. That's why.
Uh-huh. Okay, so when
You
you
are
started your English learning journey, yes, you were
this.
saying something.
This is my sixth session with you. Six sessions.
Okay. All right.
Yesterday I have done two, and today I have done with you, including you, three sessions.
Okay, so you recently started learning English.
Yeah, recently started my English.
Okay, so how do you feel like after doing like you're doing the sixth session with me? So how do you feel from the first session till now? Like what progress you could see, and do you feel your confidence level is improved?
See, when I made the first sessions, in that time, it was very hard to me to ask anything, and I'm not getting any word. What I will say? I was not nervous, but I'm not getting any word or any sentence. What I will say? From the first sessions and to these sessions, I think little was improved this.
Mm-hmm, yes. If you will practice, you will surely improve slowly and gradually.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Apart from like YouTube, what else do you do to improve your English?
A- Apart from YouTube.
Yes. Do you do like any other thing also to improve your English?
No, no, no. It's only improving my English, and I may upload my video in YouTube, and
No,
nothing
I'm
else.
asking like my question is like you are learning English only from YouTube or from any other source also, like you
No,
read some book or any other thing.
no, no, no. Actually, ma'am, I know grammar. I may speak wrong, but I can guess that I am telling wrong. Huh? Because of we have no practice. We don't get such a
Mm.
platform to practice. My husband also can speak. He is better than me, and my son is fluent. But husband has no time to speak, and because his business, we always use. We are from Assam, so generally we use Assamese language. Sometimes if not
Yes.
Hindi, but very rare. And at home we speak in Bengali. Uh, so that's why my son never shows any interest to speak with me in English. When he was in 1 2 standards, I taught him what must I know, but now he does not show interest. I may speak with my mama. No, never he shows interest. But he's better. He is more,
Yes.
more better than me. So that is the problem.
Uh-huh. Okay, all right, I got to you. So this is so true. None of our family members they want to interact, and rather, it's sometimes become like a show off. We are doing show off when we are talking in English. This is so true about all the Indians. Okay, I give you some suggestion how you can improve your English. See, number one thing I suggest you that think in English because as you said you need practice. So to practice you need somebody and to find somebody it sometimes become difficult. But if you have to think in English you do not need any partner. Yes, like suppose after the class you will be having your tea or whatever things you will be doing. Don't think in Assamese language or in Hindi. Think in English in your mind. Like now after the session, I will have tea with some snacks. Then I will prepare the dinner. Then I will do this. Then I will do that. So when you yourself will be thinking in English, then automatically English comes the best out of your mouth. And if you will think in Assamese or Hindi, Hindi will comes the best. So I
Yeah,
always say the language we think is the language we speak. So always think in the language you want to be a good communicator. So this will really help you a lot to be a better speaker. And you will be seeing like not only now, like throughout your life, you will never struggle in English if you will think in English.
all right, ma'am. You are right.
Okay. One thing this you can do apart from this, I tell you one activity that you can do. Let me share you my screen only. Can you see my screen share?
No, ma'am. No.
No, you can see. Let me just check. Even I can see black everywhere. Okay, can you see my chat box?
Yeah.
Okay, I am just typing a word over here. You tell me like what you can see here in the chat box. Okay, let me type this one. Remove. Can you see like what's the word in the chat box?
remove.
Okay, what is the last letter of the word remove?
What?
What is the
Sorry.
last letter of the word remove?
What is the
Last letter. The last
E?
letter
E.
E. Very
E.
good. Now, can you just tell me any word that begins from E?
English. I.
Very good. English. Okay, I type for you. Now, what is the last letter of the word English? Last letter.
H.
Okay, now
H.
tell me any word that begins from H.
Head. Hen. Heart.
H as in
Habit.
hat. No, only one word you tell me.
Habit.
Okay, I change it to habit. Now, what is the last letter of the word habit?
Ten. Sorry. T.
Okay, so you said tin, Tin.
T. I can write Tin. I was tin.
Okay, what's the last letter of the word tin?
N.
Now, say a word that begins with N.
Never.
Neighbor. Okay, all right. Now, what's the last letter of the word neighbor?
O.
No, it is R. See the spelling? Neighbor.
Sorry. R. Yes. R.
Now, say a word that begins with R.
Rabbit.
Okay, and every time you have to say a different word. Okay, so do you understand what activity we are doing over here? Do
No.
you understand what activity we are doing?
It means I think it is about word. Different.
Yes, about word. Very good. Very good. You got it right. Like wherever we are ending the word, the next word will start from that letter. So we call it as word chain activity. Like when you speak English, we say we do not have lot of words. So by doing this activity, you can improve your vocabulary. We call it as vocabulary enhancement activity. We also call it as brain sharpening exercise, as it really helps us to improve our memory also. Like after the age of 40, many people say we forget the things we don't remember. But doing this activity really helps you to keep both the sides of your brain working well. Okay, and suppose you are at stress, then you can do this activity just 2 3 minutes, and you will be seeing in 2 to 3 minutes you will be doing around what if I say you will be doing, I guess, around 50 to 60 words as well. So this activity really helps you a lot to improve your English. So you can do this daily and you will be seeing a difference in your English. Why? Because the words are coming in your mind quickly. It's not that we do not know the words, but the words are not in our mind when you have to speak up. But by doing this activity, the words will be there in your mind and you can speak up also. Okay?
Right. Yeah.
Do you find it useful?
Yeah. Very nice. Sure.
Okay, so I
Sure.
gave you two tips. Number one, think in English. Number two, do this activity, and surely you will be improving. Else, if you have any question, you can ask me up. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask me.
How to improve my speaking skill.
How to improve your speaking skills? I tell you, you think in English, your speaking will improve. Because if you will
Improve.
be thinking in English, English will come out of your mouth. And also, one more thing you can do, you can read the books, not just reading it silent, read it louder. Because when we read it louder, our three elements get activated. When you speak, your speaking skills improve. When you say it loud, your ears can listen. And when you are seeing the way you are reading, it improves. So read the books and read them loudly. This will also help you to improve your speaking skills. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can follow these things and it will surely help you to improve. Okay, and it was really nice connecting with you and hope to see you in the next session with an improved version of yourself.
Okay. Thanks, ma'am.
Yeah,
Thanks.
okay, bye. Nice connecting with
Thanks for
you.
sharing. Okay.
Yeah, welcome. Bye.
Bye.